In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design t-shirt in Printify. We'll go from opening your browser all the way to saving and getting your product ready to publish, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along. Start by opening your browser and searching for Printify. Click the official Printify website in the results to make sure you're in the right place. Once you're there, log in to your account. If you're new, you can create one quickly, but today we'll focus on designing. Head to the catalog, then navigate to the T-shirts category. Use the filters to narrow down your options by gender, fit, or material. Take a moment to check details like fabric blend, weight, available sizes, and color range so you pick a base shirt that matches your brand and audience. Next, choose a print provider. Compare their rating, shipping price, and location. Selecting a provider closer to your customers can reduce shipping times and costs. Ratings are a great indicator of consistency, and you can always order a sample later to verify quality. Click Start Designing next to your chosen provider to open the design editor. Here, you can upload your artwork by dragging and dropping files from your computer, Google Drive, or Dropbox. For the best results, use high-resolution images of at least 300 dpi in PNG, JPEG, or SVG format. Transparent PNGs are especially useful if you don't want a background box around your design. If you're adding text, type in your slogans or quotes directly in the editor. Customize the font, adjust colors, and use the curved text tool to create a dynamic layout. You can also generate unique artwork by entering a descriptive prompt right inside the tool. Be specific about style, subject, and mood to get closer to what you envision. You'll also find a library of free graphics, and there's an integration with Shutterstock for professional stock images if you need polished visuals. Once elements are on the canvas, use drag and drop to position them. Alignment guides will appear to help you center everything perfectly. Resize your design so it fits within the safe area marked by the dotted line. Keep important elements away from the edges to avoid anything being trimmed or misaligned during printing. Pick the shirt colors you want to offer. Your design will apply across those colors, and you can create specific versions for better contrast, like a white logo for dark shirts and a black logo for light ones. Preview your shirt on a 3D model and toggle between RGB for a vibrant screen view and CMYK for a more realistic print preview. When you're satisfied, click Save Product, then add a clear title, an informative description, and your pricing. From there, you can publish it to your connected Etsy or Shopify store.